Mr Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Finance. What recent reports has he received on the economy?
The Honourable Bill English.
Mr Speaker, today Statistics New Zealand released the GDP figures for the December quarter, which show the economy grew by 0.8%. This is the third consecutive quarter of growth. The data suggests that the recession, which began in early 2008, bottomed out in the first half of 2009, and the economy has since grown again at a moderate rate. This is consistent with a range of other indicators and broadly mirrors the pattern in New Zealand's trading partners. The lift in the economy will create jobs, though it is likely to be some time before we see a sustained drop in unemployment. That's why it's important we convert this early start to recovery into a permanent lift in growth rates.
David Bennett.
Supplementary question to the Minister of Finance. What challenges does the economy face?
The Honourable Bill English.
Mr Speaker, despite some early signs of recovery, the economy faces numerous challenges. These include a fragile global recovery, serious imbalances in our own economy which has built up over recent years, and an operating balance that remains in deficit. There are early signs of rebalancing. The last two quarters of last year were the first since 2003 where our internationally tradable sectors grew faster than our domestic sectors, and for the first time since March 2000, government administration has not grown over a full year.
Stuart Nash.
Thank you to the Minister. Given that this government has said they stand for fairness and equity, how will tax rate alignment and a significant reduction in the top marginal rate for the 8% of Kiwis earning over $70,000 directly benefit the 70% of New Zealanders earning under $40,000?
The Honourable Bill English.
Well, Mr Speaker, the members should wait and just see how that tax package comes together. What I would reiterate, as a point I've made earlier in the House, the government is looking to extend the tax base to raise more tax from property. By and large, that property is owned by higher income New Zealanders. And it's not yet clear whether the higher income New Zealanders as a group may end up paying more tax in total when we include extra property taxes.
David Bennett.
The question to the Minister of Finance. How is the government tackling the challenges the economy faces?
The Honourable Bill English.
Well, Mr Speaker, one way we've been tackling the growth in government administration is to put a lid on government spending, and I'm pleased that that is shown through in the figures today, where the balance of the economy has shifted slightly to where the productive and export sector actually grew in the last 6 months of last year, and the government sector shrank somewhat.
Question number 4, Dr. Russell Norman.